Hello student, resuming our discussion on mould standard base. Continue to write. First of all, just extend EX, enter, and extend these lines, and then we just offset this line by 12 mm inside, and then offset, and then extend it to stipple plate, then offset it by 6 in both direction, and again offset the right line, enter, 1 enter inside right and left, and then trim these lines 1 and 2 to this line, selected line. Now offset the center line by 9.5 left and right. Also offset this line by 12.5 upward, then trim this and trim on this line these two. This is a large head. We can decrease the size of this head by stretching. For stretching, you just press S, enter, and then stretch this by 4.5 downward. Also stretch this head this is of 2 mm larger than the shank. It is 3.5. It can be stretched 1.5 mm leftward, 1.5 enter, and this is also stretched by 1.5 rightward. And now the tie rod is drawn, and this line should be trimmed. TR, enter, and trim. This should be trimmed inside the bolt. This line also be trimmed, and these lines should be trimmed, this in between the tie rod. The center line should be increased upward by 3 mm upward and 3 mm downward, and join these lines together. You should change the property of this line, you selecting it and using second property option, and then load. Just see if this is center line and then enter. Okay, again select this line and then go to line property layer and select on center. This line is converted to center line. The other center lines, just like this, should be matched with this line, and their property should be converted into center line. This line should be extended 3 mm upward and same downward. This line also be treated so. And this this line should be shortened by 15 mm. 18 minus 15 is equal to 3 mm. And this pen is okay, ready. Now we just chamfer all the edge by 1.5. How to use chamfer tool? You go to modify tool and click on chamfer tool. Now press D, enter, 1.5, enter, 1.5, enter. Then select lines meeting at a point. Here we have to mark chamfer. You just first of all we just select, break this line, then press enter, then mark chamfer, CHA, enter, then this one also, and extend this this line again. It should be chamfered. C H A, enter, select both line, again draw a line here to here, and then chamfer again. One line here to be drawn, and then CH A, enter, mark chamfer here, and here should be chamfered. This all corner should be chamfered, and this line should be extended. Again pick chamfer tool and mark chamfer in between these two lines sequence wise. No sharp corner remains unchamfered. One is here. Now we have to color. How to color? First of all, we just chamfer. Hatch. Hatch is the tool. Here, two are the hatch tool, and we can hatch all the plates with the help of this hatch tool. This is the hatch tool, and this is also a gradient hatch tool. We can hatch with that second option, but first of all we have to lock. We have provided a screw here that for the locking of this plate. You just offset this line by 10 mm inside and extend it up and down, then offset it by 8, so 4 for the M8 screw, and then offset it by